made it to Silver Spring State Park. There's barely any wind. Here is the main spring. They do mermaid shows here as well for the kids and stuff like that. Plenty of seating. Made it to mile 2. Just wanted to show everybody this little area. It's kind of like a little pit stop if you're going downstream. It's a nice little setup. This is a pretty cool little little map. So currently I'm right here, mile 2. There's an outhouse right here, and they have picnic tables as well. They have a little caution. Wildlife, you know, they have monkeys here. You just can't feed them. It's prohibited. I guess wear a life jacket. They didn't say anything to me when I went down. I don't see too many people wearing them. Well, I'm practically all done. I did roughly about 4 hours of paddling today. I went down 2 miles down the river, and then I did up 2 more miles up the river. Up the river, as always, against the current, super hard. So this is where you load and unload your kayaks and paddleboards. What I did was today I launched from Rays Wayside Park on Silver Spring River. So the entrance fee to get in there was $5, and they have a little courtesy box in an envelope. You just put the $5 in, throw it in the box, and then they give you like a little ticket, put on your windshield. So what I did was today I paddled all the way upstream or upriver, all the way up until where I stopped yesterday. So yesterday I launched from the state park, so the head spring, and then I went downriver for 2 miles, and then what I did was I turned around and I went upriver back up to the head spring. And today I just paddled all the way up to that 2-mile marker. So I think I did that in roughly 1 hour and 36 minutes, roughly. Going upstream from Rays Wayside Park, it wasn't bad at all, to be honest with you. I was actually surprised. The current wasn't too bad. Going up, actually the whole river is really wide, so you have plenty of room. Three monkeys at one of the parks down here in Silver Springs. You've probably seen 3 or 4 alligators coming up. I just keep my distance because it is May time frame. May and June they will go ahead and start mating, so then they will get territorial where their little area is. So like things like this, when I go paddle by it, I keep my distance. I don't get too close, and I always watch to see if the leaves aren't moving. 9 times out of 10 it's mostly fish or a turtle. So boats are allowed up Silver Springs, the river, as long as there's no wake. You have to go very little. It's kind of like idle speed, they call it. Yeah, that was thunder. I think it'll pass quickly. It's coming down. Trees protecting me from the rain. I mean, I'm wet, but I'm not that bad. It's raining a little bit. Nice little shower. This is why I bring a dry bag for my phone, for the drone that I didn't fly at all today, because it's protected here. But a little rain doesn't hurt anybody. It's relaxing. on the way down and up. They have these little areas right here where you can take breaks if you need to as well. These really come in handy coming upstream. You need to take breaks as much as you can. Rays Wayside Park. Say that 5 times fast. And this is the canal right here going into the park. Alligator gar coming at me. Tons of boats today. It's Friday, it's Saturday. Earlier, obviously so many people here now.